Today on the Recipe Rebel, we are making a no-bake chocolate peanut butter pie. It is one of my all-time favorites, totally no-bake and just 6 ingredients. Plus, I guarantee you it's gonna be the first one gone. We're gonna start by making our super simple no-bake crust using just chocolate baking crumbs and melted butter. Now we're gonna whip up our simple 4-ingredient filling, starting with some room temperature cream cheese. We're gonna beat this until it's nice and smooth. That's how we avoid the lumps. Then we are going to beat in some powdered sugar and smooth peanut butter. Our last ingredient is some heavy cream. You want at least 30% fat content, and that means it's gonna whip up nice and thick and fluffy. We're gonna add it in and beat it on low until it's incorporated. Then we're gonna bump up the speed and beat it on high until it's thick and fluffy. Don't stop until it's nice and thick. Our filling is all ready, and we are just about to pour it into our crust. At this point, if you like, you can take a little taste just to see if you need to adjust any of the ingredients to your tastes. Believe it or not, we have now come to the hardest part. We have to pop this pie into the fridge and let it chill until it's good and set. You wanna leave it at least 5 or 6 hours, but I prefer to make it a night ahead and then serve it the next day. That way I know it's gonna slice perfectly. So I have pulled out my chilled chocolate peanut butter pie from the fridge. I am just going to top with some whipped cream, chocolate shavings. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of peanut butter that I've warmed up and put it in just a little Ziploc baggie, and some chopped peanuts. This pie is crazy good. My self-control around peanut butter and chocolate anything is 0. You need to go and make this. Seriously, so easy, so delicious.